Hello, I am Krish. Today I will be demonstrating one data visualization tool called Tableau. It is used to convert raw data sets into graphical and interactive visualizations. It allows users to analyze large amount of data using charts, graph, dashboards, map, and reports without writing complex code. And one of the most used advantage of Tableau is its drag and drop features. We can add columns and rows using drag and drop facilities, and which makes it user friendly. We have not to write any code for this task, and we can identify trends, patterns, relationships, and data set more effectively compared to traditional spreadsheets. So, with data visualization becomes easy, and it supports multiple types of visualization such as line charts, bar charts, scatter plots, pie charts, heat maps, and dashboards. So that is widely used right now. Now we will create one dashboard using Tableau. First of all, we will see the data part of it. This is one CSV file I have created with this Python file. I have written these columns for our fiber optic analysis. I have selected randomly with something data and generated this CSV file. Now this CSV file I will be importing in this Tableau. This is the data source section which we can see all the columns or the CSV file that we have added. um, and we can add new sheet using this plus sign. This is the interface for sheet where we if the left side we can see this, um, where we can add columns, and this is main sheet part. Let's see which column is doing what. The first field is ID, which represents a unique identifier for each record. The second one is distance kilometer. It represents the transmission distance in kilometers. Fiber type specifies whether the cable is single mode or multi-mode fiber. Bands represents the number of bands present in cable path. Slices indicates the number of splicing points in cable. Total loss is the loss that we get after signal attenuation in decibel. Signal strength is the strength of the signal, and temperature, cable edge years are these the different categories to see the type of the cable. Now, to create graph, we can just drag and drop these columns like this. Uh, this is the first sheet which we have made. So let's see all the graphs. First graph is distance versus total signal loss. This is the line chart. This blue part indicates multi-mode, and this orange part represents single mode. We can see that uh, signal loss increases gradually as transmission distance increases. The second graph is bands versus total signal loss. This is the scatter plot, and we can observe that signal loss generally increases. The number of bands increases. This occurs because excessive bending can cause leakage of optical signal inside the fiber cable. Now let's see the third sheet. Third sheet is bar chart for status distribution. This chart represents the distribution of cable performance categories. uh, how many cables fall into excellent, good, average, and poor. That is status of it. And by the way, there is one feature, like if you want to differentiate all this, we can just put like this. So this creates different uh, colors for it. See, uh, now sheet 4, fiber type comparison. We are comparing the fiber type according to loss, and we can see that multi-mode cable has more loss than single mode. Now graph 5 is temperature versus signal strength. The x-axis represents the temperature in degrees and the y-axis is signal strength in average. How much signal strength we get, and we have added fiber type to differentiate the color. The orange one is single mode and the blue one is multi-mode. And we can see that fluctuation in signal strength under different temperature conditions. The temperature is different, the signal strength is different. Now the sixth, it is pie chart, and we are using to count it how many numbers of single mode cable we have and how many number of multi mode cables we have. um, Now the dashboard part, which is help us to add new all the sheets that we have added. We can drag and drop sheets like this, and we can arrange here. We can drag and drop, properly crop it, and we can make dashboard for it. The dashboard combines all visualizations into single interactive interface. It includes line charts, scatter plots, bar charts, and pie charts related to fiber optic cable analysis. Dashboards help us to organize multiple visualization together for easier analysis and comparison. Using the dashboard, engineers and analysts can monitor network condition, identify signal loss patterns, and make better decisions based on visual insights. So that's all for me. The Tableau is very good tool for analysis. Check it out. Thank you.